everybody. So my oldest is gonna be home for lunch for because he has a Zoom doctor's appointment. So I figured I'd make it something a little special and don't mind the mess in the background. It's just not like a dad, okay? All right. So for lunch, I'm gonna make him a chicken dinner. And the ingredients I'm gonna use is 1 onion, cranberries. That's probably about a cup. And I like to put my cranberries in the stuffing. And 1 can of cranberry sauce. I always have to have Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning packets on hand. And some instant potato flakes from the food pantry. I'd really rather use real potatoes, but this is what I have on hand. Oh yes, and olive oil to coat the pan with. I'm also going to use some garlic, some rosemary, some basil, and some oregano. So first of all, I'm going to coat the pan with about a tablespoon of olive oil. Tight squeeze in there. There we go. Trying to do this with one hand. It's a little hard. I'm going to add the garlic powder, and it comes out really fast, so I gotta be careful with this. Yes. I like to garlic it up. Add lots of garlic to whatever I'm cooking. Now I'm going to add the oregano. Yep, I'm going to add oregano. Oop. Yeah, that comes out fast too. But I'm going to add lots of it, just like I did with the garlic. And next I'm going to add the basil. Basil! Yes, this is a lot of seasoning, but I like to season it till my ancestors tell me to stop. Right now they're telling me to load it on. Load it on, Kelly. Load it on. And this is the rosemary. Did I already add rosemary? Oh, I can't remember. Oh well. Now, I'm going to put it in the oven for 350 degrees for about an hour. Maybe 45 minutes. Maybe 45 minutes to an hour. We'll see. And now, I'm going to chop up the onion. Why is this end always the hardest to get off? Or which for me it is. Maybe I'm doing it all wrong. If I'm doing it wrong, correct me in the comments, please. I need your help. Alright. Yeah. Just put all that off to the side. Scoot it over. Scoot it over. There we go. Yeah, I'm not a professional at cutting onions. Alright. Scoot that over, make room. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of olive oil to a medium saucepan. Now I'm gonna add in my onions. I'm gonna stir it a bit and let my onions brown. And now I'm also gonna add my cranberries too. When my onions brown, that's when I'm gonna add the stuffing. I'm also gonna add in my not so secret ingredient. Just a pinch of sugar. Make it a little bit sweet for the cranberries. Not too much. My mind. I ain't gonna wait until the onions are brown. They're a little clear right now. The majority of them are. But I ain't gonna wait. I'm gonna add my stuffing now. And of course, after I add the stuffing, I'm gonna want to add, I think, about 1 cup of, oops, that is a little too much. About 1 cup of water. You're gonna want to stir with a fork until your stuffing forms. And this is what it looks like. It would look much prettier if I had celery, but I don't got celery. Now for the potatoes, I'm going to add 2 cups of potato flakes, 1 cup of whole milk. I'm going to turn it on high and stir with a fork until it becomes mashed potato. This usually takes about 45 minutes, so it's really quick. Add in the rest of the cheese that I have on hand. And the ranch seasoning. Come on, get in there. Get in there. There we go. I'm just going to stir it all in until the cheese melts. Now it looks something like that. And now I'm all finished. I got the chicken here, the cranberry sauce here, the stuffing here, and the mashed potatoes. Yum! Looks really good.